What is 4-7-8 breathing?
The 4-7-8 breathing is a simple relaxation technique that uses a specific rhythm of inhaling, holding, and exhaling the breath. Designed to calm the nervous system, it's easy to learn and takes only a few minutes. This method is popular for reducing stress, promoting relaxation, and even helping people fall asleep more easily.
The science behind 4-7-8 breathing.
Okay, the previous method activates the body's natural relaxation response. By slowing your breath and extending the parasympathetic nervous system, this helps reduce heart rate, lowers blood pressure, and decreases stress hormones. Studies show mindful breathing can improve sleep quality and mental well-being, making this exercise an effective tool for better health.
Step-by-step guide to 4-7-8 breathing.
Start by sitting or lying down comfortably. Close your eyes and breathe out completely through your mouth. Inhale quietly through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this cycle for 4 breaths. Practice at least twice a day for best results.
When and why to use 4-7-8 breathing?
The 4-7-8 breathing can be done anytime you feel stressed, anxious, or need to unwind. It's especially helpful before bedtime to quiet a racing mind and prepare for restful sleep. Many people also use it during the day for quick relaxation, before important events, or whenever they need to reset their mood and focus.
Tips for getting the most from 4-7-8 breathing.
Be patient and consistent. Start with just a few cycles and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. Use a mental count or soft background music for timing, and try pairing the practice with other relaxing activities like gentle stretching. Over time, you'll notice increased calm and improved sleep from this simple yet powerful technique.